In the heart of Southeast Asia lies Singapore, a vibrant city-state that's packed with groundbreaking innovation. Every inch of its 734 square kilometers is a reflection of smart urban planning, proving that limited resources are no barrier to big dreams. Yet, even Singapore faces mounting challenges: rising seas, scarce land, and the ever-pressing need for food security. The solution? A bold and futuristic concept: floating ocean boxes that promise to redefine sustainability, coastal living, and food production. But what exactly are these ocean boxes? Stick around to find out. But before we begin, do give us a quick like and subscribe to the channel while you're at it. If you're done with that, then let's get right to it. The ocean box concept is a visionary solution that combines cutting-edge engineering with practical application, designed to address two of the most pressing issues humanity faces today: food security and urban expansion. These large floating platforms, which will be deployed in the waters surrounding Singapore, have the potential to revolutionize how cities approach sustainability. They aim to serve as multifaceted, climate-resilient ecosystems that could set the standard for future urban development in the face of global challenges. By integrating high-tech aquaculture systems, renewable energy sources, and even sustainable housing modules, ocean boxes are poised to transform how we think about both living spaces and food production. The idea behind ocean boxes is simple, yet groundbreaking. Each platform is essentially a self-sustaining, modular structure, capable of housing a variety of systems and technologies. These include vertical fish farms that operate in controlled, high-efficiency environments, producing seafood and crops with minimal environmental impact. Solar panels and wind turbines will provide renewable energy to power the entire system, while desalination units ensure a reliable source of fresh water. Beneath the water's surface, artificial reefs will help restore marine biodiversity and mitigate the potential ecological footprint of these floating ecosystems. In essence, the ocean boxes are a perfect blend of innovative design and sustainable practices, creating a balanced environment for both humans and marine life. One of the most critical aspects of this project is addressing the growing issue of food security. As the global population continues to rise, traditional agricultural practices are being strained by limited land, water, resources, and changing climate conditions. Singapore, for instance, imports over 90% of its food, leaving it highly vulnerable to disruptions in global supply chains. The floating ocean boxes could provide a local, reliable food source by bringing food production directly to the water. By incorporating vertical fish farms and aquaponic systems, methods that combine fish farming with hydroponic crop cultivation, the ocean boxes can recycle nutrients and reduce waste, creating a sustainable cycle of food production. This year-round food source, free from the unpredictability of weather patterns, component placement would significantly reduce Singapore's dependency on imported food and could be replicated in other coastal cities facing similar food security challenges. In addition to tackling food insecurity, ocean boxes provide a unique solution to the issue of urban expansion. As cities like Singapore face rapid population growth, finding space for housing, businesses, and public infrastructure has become increasingly difficult. With land at a premium, the ocean presents a new frontier for urban development. The modular nature of the ocean boxes means they can be tailored to various needs, whether for residential housing, office spaces, or recreational facilities. These floating platforms will seamlessly integrate into the existing cityscape, extending urban areas into the sea while preserving valuable land. The structures will also be equipped with green roofs, solar panels, and energy-efficient technologies, promoting sustainable living and minimizing their environmental footprint. This adaptation to limited land resources is essential for ensuring that cities can grow while remaining environmentally responsible. The engineering behind the ocean boxes is just as impressive as their potential applications. Anchored to the seabed with advanced mooring systems, the platforms are designed to remain stable and secure, even in the face of harsh weather conditions. Each platform will be equipped with sensors to monitor key environmental factors such as water quality and temperature. critical information for ensuring both the aquaculture systems and the structural integrity of the platforms. By incorporating renewable energy solutions, such as wind turbines and solar panels, the platforms will operate off-grid, generating their own power and reducing their reliance on external energy sources. Additionally, energy storage systems and desalination units will ensure a steady supply of power and fresh water for both the residents and the aquaculture operations. These systems are designed to make the ocean boxes entirely self-sufficient, reducing the need for external resources and ensuring sustainability. While the ocean boxes offer promising solutions, they also raise significant environmental concerns. Large-scale infrastructure projects in the ocean could disrupt marine ecosystems, affecting local wildlife and ecosystems. To mitigate these potential risks, the ocean boxes are designed to include artificial reefs, which will support marine biodiversity and provide new habitats for fish, corals, and other marine organisms. By reducing pollution and preventing overfishing through controlled aquaculture practices, these systems offer a more sustainable alternative to traditional fishing methods. Singapore's previous efforts to relocate coral reefs during port expansions demonstrate the country's commitment to environmental protection, and similar initiatives could help ensure that the ocean boxes support rather than harm the marine environment. The impact of the Ocean Box project could extend far beyond Singapore's borders. As climate change accelerates and rising sea levels threaten coastal cities, floating platforms like these could provide a solution for adapting to changing environmental conditions. The versatility of the ocean boxes makes them suitable for deployment in a variety of environments, from tropical to temperate waters, making them adaptable to different climates and conditions. These platforms could be used to house displaced communities, support offshore energy production, or even serve as research hubs for marine conservation efforts. Countries facing similar challenges, such as the Netherlands or small island nations in the Pacific, could benefit from adopting this technology. In fact, the concept of ocean boxes could be the foundation for a global network of floating cities, each designed to be resilient in the face of climate change and rising sea levels. While the potential of the ocean boxes is undeniable, there are several challenges that need to be addressed before they can become a reality. One of the main concerns is the cost of building and maintaining these structures. How affordable will they be in the long term, and can they scale quickly enough to meet growing demands for food, housing, and urban expansion? Furthermore, how will the environmental benefits of the ocean boxes compare to their potential impacts on marine ecosystems? These questions must be carefully considered and studied before large-scale implementation can take place. Public acceptance will also play a critical role in the success of the project. Governments, engineers, environmentalists, and the general public must work together to refine the concept and overcome any potential hurdles. So, what are your thoughts on Singapore's ocean boxes? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked today's video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.